You excited?
Yeah.
I think my butt's still sore from the other day, though.
Oh, sorry.
Hi everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. We're going to continue our little series here that we're at, because we're at Mammoth Cave, and just outside of the park there's this place called Diamond Caverns, so we're going to go check that out. And then we still haven't shown you the path, bike path that goes from the visitor center to Park City. So we're going to do that today. We're going to go on, see what we can find out a little bit and everything, and that's what this video will be about. So come along with us. Anything about that? You excited?
Yeah.
I think my butt's still sore from the other day, though.
Oh, sorry.
Bike ride
we're
might
not
be
going all the way.
The bike ride might be still
We're
a
not
little
going
tough.
18 miles, 20 miles.
Yes, it's 9.1 miles
One way.
one way.
We'll
so.
go see what we can do.
But there's some pretty cool things that we want to ride down to, so we're going to go check those out. So we're going to go check out Diamond Caverns. This is just down the road from the visitor center for Mammoth Cave. And so we're gonna go see what that is. Let me get up there.
Oh.
Hi. There's also a natural cave museum and library. So I don't know if we'll get over to that or not. We'll go check it out. So this is a little canyon area they have set up. And water running along here, and you're looking for all these different things. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, select a bag of mining rough.
Oh, you got to get a bag.
Go buy a bag.
Buy a bag and then you pan it. So this is the inside area, and got all kinds of cool little things up on the wall. It's just the gift shops over here, but a lot of stones over here for sale too. Look at these different. Wow.
Look at this.
Pretty cool. Yeah. Good thing we have an RV. We don't have to be tempted to buy them. $900 for that one. Let's see this big tall one here. Let's see how much it is. Oh, yep, $1,000.
Pretty sparkles there.
This big amethyst thing, $6,000 for this one. All right, we're in the gift shop, and this is the bags of stuff you buy. The mother load. It's $15 for a bag, and then that's all the information we were looking at outside. So you just go out there and mine for these different gems and see what you find. Well, that's a pretty nice little area they have in there. They have signs everywhere. You break it, you buy it. So a lot of expensive stuff. I did pick up a little brochure. It's $22 for to go on a tour. It's a 1-hour tour, and it's 300 and something stairs down. You go in and then you just walk back out the same way. But the difference between this cave is they have all the artwork and graphics in there. I mean, if you look at the front of this, pretty impressive. This is what you kind of expect in a big cave, and they have it here. So that's why it's pretty popular in that sense. So 1-hour tour, but a lot of graphics things. But you'll notice it says strenuous and 350 stairs, and it's going for a half mile. But you must keep up with the group. So pass for us on this one. The interesting thing is there's no cameras or videotaping of any kind while you're in the cave. So can't really take it with you. So that's kind of a bummer.
Well, the gems here were beautiful though.
Yeah.
All kinds of gems and rocks, and this little panning thing. Oh, kids would just go crazy.
Oh, man,
it's like
yeah.
a treasure.
Yeah. You know, you get the bag of stuff and you go in there and you're going to get something.
You're going to get a rock.
You know, I don't know how much.
Rock.
I don't know how much you get, but it's a pretty good sized bag of whatever you're going to pan. Like, so they're going to play with it.
Big.
Yeah. So they're going to play with it.
You get a few rocks that are
so
pretty rocks.
Anyway, yep. So it'd be pretty fun. So anyway, This is Diamond Caverns. Well, now it's time to go on a bike ride. So the path is like this all the way past the visitor center. This is the campground on the right. And then it just changes to a gravel path. So we'll just be going down this path for a little ways. This is 9.1 miles to Park City. The trail is rough in a few places as we go through here, but not too bad. It is a gravel trail, or kind of like a road. Oh, we're actually crossing the road here. Look both ways. Now we're back on the main road here. This is coming to a little wooded area, wooded bridge area. This cool little bike trail around this lake. Oh, sorry, it's a pond. I guess you can hear me up there. It's not a real wide path though. So I got to concentrate on that instead of the video. That's the main trail over there on the right. And this is the pond trail over here they've built up above everything because it's all wetlands. Stop here and take a look at the pond.
This is a hidden treasure. This is what I call a hidden treasure.
Look at the reflection there.
Oh, so beautiful. There's something. It's a turtle. There's a turtle right there. Oh,
turtle coming over. Whoops, popped down. Kind of coming over to us. Swimming along.
If you like nature, beautiful covered path you can walk. You're probably not supposed to ride your
two
bike.
turtles. One chasing the other one.
Something up there hunting. Oh, that's a frog. Big fishing birds out there.
Turtle says, "Hey, I am not going that close. Those guys look scary."
I think it's the other guy chasing.
One's chasing the other one.
That's funny. Oh, it's so pretty.
Yep. This is the Mammoth Cave Railroad Company, and it used to have the railroad going down where we rode our bikes. So this little railroad ran for 50 years from here all the way down to Glasgow, Kentucky. Well, so the trail is pretty nice, a little rough in a few areas. It's kind of like a Jeep trail is how I'd classify it.
No, Jeep can...
Well, yeah, it's not going up and down quite that much.
Big gravel sometimes.
Yeah, some of it's big gravel, but they do have these nice wood boardwalks here and there. That's pretty nice. So this is a pretty cool overlook right here. Basically, the sign says this is all cut down and used to be fields. Let's see, how long ago? It's been 90 years now. When the park took over, they tore all the buildings down, and now the trees have all started growing and everything. So in another 20 years, it'll be called old growth forest. So it's the forest has taken over again, which isn't that difficult back here in the east. So green everywhere and water. So anyway, so it's working out good. But as it goes, I think we're going to go ahead and close this video out here. This gives you a pretty good overview of the whole area for Mammoth Cave. And of course, we had Diamond Caverns also. If you really want the graphical or artsy type stuff, then you really want to go see Diamond Caverns. If you want to see the biggest cave or participate in that whole thing at 400, I think it's 424 miles. 424 miles so far, and they're still exploring and finding more. So it's still growing. But anyway, it's they've got it set up really well, and it works well that way. But so we'll get going on a few tours. We'll check out all that kind of stuff. We're gonna check out the area a little bit more and just kind of see what's
mushrooms yet.
Oh, we'll put some mushroom pictures in there. So
that's a lot of mushrooms.
Yeah. So
interesting.
Anyway, here's a couple that Ninette found. But she takes pictures of lots of different things. So that's how we kind of keep track of everything. But speaking of, you know, if you follow us on Instagram, she's posting a lot of that stuff on Instagram way before we get videos made. So it takes a lot longer to make up the videos and everything. So just follow us on Instagram and Facebook. That works out good too. Also in our comments, we do have our email address in there. You can email us if you don't want to leave comments on our videos, but we do appreciate people that leave comments for everybody to read. But you can email us if you want to talk to us. We got our phone number we can give you. We can email back to you, whatever. We've had a couple people that had some questions. Well, we're not that lonely, but especially when it comes to our rig. You know, if you need help with something, we're here. We're excited to help out people. Eventually, we'll probably take the chance of having a live, and then that will give you guys chances to ask us questions on the fly. But that's a big step. I'm not sure that we're actually to that point yet. So we've been on some lives, but we haven't had our own yet. So anyway, I guess with that said, I've probably rambled long enough. We had a lot of good stuff there. We're going to have a lot of fun while we're here, and that's the key. The weather is perfect, so this is working out good.
Beautiful in August here.
Yep.
Oh.
So
really?
And it's not majorly busy. I think their major busy time is like May and June. And school is starting this week, I think it is. So things are dropping off pretty fast, and will now for the rest of the fall as we start moving westward. So we will, from here, we'll be heading back to Tennessee and then directly west. So we'll be making a beeline back towards, what is it? This is the middle of August, and we have to be back to Yuma at the end of or middle of October. So that's where we're headed. So anyway, thanks for supporting us. If you aren't one of our supporters, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you can. That always helps out. We do appreciate it. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see what else we can find. So everyone, we'll plan on seeing you down the road, and if not, then we'll just hopefully see you on our next video. So take care.
Bye.